G'day, Dave. So I thought I'd just send this over as promised. A couple of changes, new ads that I've just gotten up and running, and a few things and updates on my end I've just seen as well. So probably jumping into that first and straight up. So I've just noticed today, actually this afternoon, that a few more of our ads have just been disapproved without warning, out of the blue, with the exact same message that we're getting in the beginning. So obviously we don't promote ads that have unclear, misleading, work from home, MLM, get rich quick schemes, that sort of thing. So yeah, it's a touchy subject. I think I did touch on this with you previously, but yeah, like I've just noticed literally just then that I think this is the cryptocurrency and digital currency and online investing audience that I had running. I noticed that's just been shut down. So I only had the one ad left in there running, but it looks like they've just switched off 4 of those. So bit of a kick in the guts, but can't do much about that unless I try to appeal it, and then it's probably going to open a can of worms. So I'm tempted to just leave it off now. I know you were a bit unsure about that audience anyway, so I might just go ahead and leave that one switched off for now. But moving on, the next bunch of ads. So these are a couple of new ads that I've just written up now. So taking the bit of guidance that you sent to me earlier over on Skype, and then yeah, this is just going to a top of funnel audience, just for the registrations. So are you looking for a web-based business that can help you to transition from employee to an entrepreneur? So I think that's a really clever way and a nice way to get around the whole, are you looking for a business to work from home, that sort of thing, which Facebook really does not like. That's why we're getting shut down. So hopefully that is a nice little way around that. And then goes into join us for this exclusive online training event and discover a proven step-by-step system to buy, renovate, and sell or keep profitable websites. Now I removed income generating websites because again Facebook don't like that terminology as much, so hopefully we can get through with profitable, and then it's just the kind of what I've had working in the previous ads. So that's what I've got going there with a couple of new ones. So let me know what you think about that new top of funnel ad, or that ad copy there. And then the next 2 things that I wanted to show you were the retargeting side of things. So the first one is obviously no shows. Anyone who's registered to the webinar has not shown up. Now I've time gated this to go within a 14-day window, excluding anyone who's registered in the last 2 days, because I noticed on the actual webinar or on the registration page, they can register within a 24-hour or 48-hour window, or for any time from now until the following day at 12:30. So I've just put a 2-day buffer in there, so we're not hitting anyone who's registered and hasn't had the chance to sit down and watch the webinar yet. So I've time gated that there. I've just got a $2.50 budget on that at the moment. I'm going to change this. Actually, no, I won't change that. We're optimizing for people to register. So then this message here is going out to anyone who is a no-show. So it's we miss you at the Digital Profits Online Training. We are still looking. Are you still looking for a side business that can take you from employee to entrepreneur? Again, using that same terminology and that same phrase. Hopefully that gets through without any issues. On this online training, you will learn step-by-step system to buy, renovate, sell, or keep income-generating websites. Now, I know on the previous one that I've just mentioned, I didn't want to use that terminology, but again, here I think it's a safe place to test. Just because I know that there is nothing on the actual landing page that I'm driving traffic to. Actually, no, that is a lie. I'm sorry, my head's in the next retargeting ad that I'll take you through. So, yeah, I might just change that to profitable websites for now on both Apologies, it's been a long day and I'm a bit scattered, so bear with me on that one. But that is basically the retargeting the no-shows. So just driving people straight back to the webinar registration page, the landing page, to get them back into the funnel. Now, the third and final one that I wanted to show you was anyone who has registered for the webinar, viewed the webinar, but has not booked in a strategy call. So basically, what I'm targeting here is anyone who had initiated a strategy call, so landed on the strategy call page, but hasn't booked their call. So this one here, and this is one that I called out before with the 72-hour window. Are you ready to launch your website investing business to take you from employee to entrepreneur? There are a handful of strategy sessions left for our Digital Profits program. So if you are looking to launch your own profitable portable business, be ready for a massive shift in your life. C, looking for a better way, or D, on the fence about this amazing opportunity, book in for your free strategy call now and find out if the Digital Profits program is right for you. Only a limited 72-hour window has been booked out for these sessions, so don't miss out. Now, with these ads here, I've done a single image, as you can see on the left, on the right hand side here, with the headline is "Have your questions answered?" So that's really calling out people who they've watched the webinar, they've gone through it. They might not have booked a strategy session for whatever reason. So have your questions answered. I've got a testimonial style ad as a single image. So that's one there, and then a carousel version of that. So same copy, but this will just have a couple of different testimonials that we've got on the actual landing page that I've pulled from here. So these guys here. So just a case study testimonial type ad, and that's obviously to get people to register to have a call. So then that's driving people over to the strategy session initiation page. Let me know what you think there with those couple of changes. I don't have anything live of that just yet. I will get it live as soon as if you're happy with it all. But if you got any feedback at all there, just let me know. With these two new ad sets, the retargeting ones, the audience is going to be tiny, not big at all. So they're at $2.50 a day each. So let me know your thoughts there. My big concern again, and I can't stress it enough, is the fact that some of these ads are starting to get disapproved out of the blue for no reason other than Facebook are just picking them up again at random. So that's just something to be conscious of and aware of. And I know it's not something we want to happen. We don't want the ad account to get shut down. As long as I want to be completely upfront with you, that is a possibility. So if you guys, as long as you're aware and you know that, then I'm happy to keep running. But let me know what you think of those changes there and what I've done. And if there are any questions or any feedback, just give me a shout. Thanks, mate. Have a good night. Bye.